to put the disc back on, just to say this is the screw position, and here the screw position, just align them. So you have many holes that for wheels, this tool for pull out the disc if it's stuck. So that's the screw for fixing the disc. And on the hub you can see that the hole. So we just align them together. Okay, just use two hands to put the brake disc on, and this need a torque screw bit or spanner. I think just tighten it with hand should be alright, because this screw only fix the disc while you take the wheel off, and otherwise the four holes from the wheel bolts will hold it very tight. So you could use a kind of ratchet to do it, but I think I will just holding in the middle and just like the screwdriver, and that should be fine. So after install the new disc, you can have another cleaning just to get rid of all the oily fingerprint on the disc surface.